Hi, this is Kira from the Disney Dish, and today we're making glazed almonds. When you're walking through all the Disney World parks and you smell that really sweet, nutty, cinnamony scent, this is what it is. You can find these glazed almonds all over the Disney World parks. My go-to spot is just outside of the Jungle Cruise, between the Jungle Cruise and Pirates of the Caribbean in Magic Kingdom. There's so many awesome snacks in Disney World, it's so hard to pick just one. There's everything from sweet cupcakes and ice cream to salty popcorn. Comment below and let us know your favorite Disney snack. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos and recipes. Now let's get started on making some glazed almonds. It's a really simple recipe with just a couple ingredients and it tastes like magic.
Stay to the end of the video for an extra tip.
So to start off, you take your butter and put it onto a jelly roll pan, and then you're going to put it into the oven until it melts. Take your eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. Take the egg whites and mix it with your salt. You're going to beat it until it's just frothy, and then little by little you're going to gradually add in your sugar. You're going to beat this until soft peaks form. Now you're going to add in your nuts and your cinnamon and fold it together to make sure everything is coated. Take your hot butter out of the oven and pour over the almond mixture. Now you're going to mix everything together, make sure all the nuts are incorporated with all of the butter, and spread it out evenly and pop it back in the oven. So you need to stir these every 10 minutes and do it every 10 minutes for 40 minutes. So you're going to be stirring it 4 times. And as you can see, the longer they're in the oven, they start drying out a little bit, and that's how they get all crispy and crunchy. Here you can see how dry and crunchy they are. And here is the crispy finished product. These are best served warm, just like when you get them in the park. Hi, I'm back with the beautiful glazed almonds that I made. And I made these little paper cones so I can fill them up and serve them just like they came right out of the park. So while it's still warm, I'm going to give one a taste. Really nice and crunchy, just still warm, really, really sweet. We need that afternoon sugar pick-me-up when we're really hot in the park. Got the cinnamon, the really big clumps of crunchy sugar on the outside. Really, really good. Next time you're in the park, pick up some of these glazed almonds at a snack cart. They're super tasty and really easy to just toss into your bag if you don't finish eating them while you're waiting on a line. Try making this easy recipe at home. The flavor will bring you right back to Disney World. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and recipes, and be sure to comment below and tell us your favorite Disney snacks.
Here's an extra tip. These almonds are great anytime, but they're best when they're warm. So pop them back into the oven for just a couple of minutes to warm them back up, and it'll taste like you just got them in the park.
This recipe and more can be found on our website at thedisneydish.com.